So children, now we will solve question number 4 from exercise 10.5 chapter 10 circle NCERT book 9th class. The diagram is given and the value of two angles is given. We have to calculate angle BDC. Okay. So I have drawn this diagram in my copy already. So this angle is 69. This angle is 31 degree. Angle X and Y, I am considering these two angles. So angle X will be angle Y. Why? Because both the angle are on the same segment BC. So first we are using the triangle sum property in the angle ABC. ABC. X plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangles. X plus 69 plus 31 is equal to 180 degree. So easily we can calculate angle X equal to 80 degree. 100 minus 180 minus 100 will be equal to 80 degree. So angle X will be equal to angle Y, as I just explained why. Angle subtended by the same segment will be equal. So angle X will be angle Y. So now as angle X is equal to 180 degree, so angle Y will be 180 degree. So angle BDC is equal to 180 degree. So it is very simple question. Two property, angle sum property, and the second one is angle formed by same segment. Two property we have used here, and the question we have solved. Okay, now we will solve question number 5. So in question number 5, A, B, C, D are 4 points given to us, and these are on the circle. AC and BD are intersecting each other at point E such a way that angle BEC is equal to 30 degree and angle ECD is equal to 20 degree. We have to calculate angle BAC. Okay. So diagram of this question I have already drawn in my copy. So this angle is 30 degree and angle C point with 20 degree angle is forming. So I am considering this angle 1 and this angle 2 and this angle as a X. So BD is a straight line. So angle BEC plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree by the linear pair property. So easily we can calculate angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle BEC, and angle BEC is equal to 130 degree. So angle 1 will be equal to 50 degree. Now in triangle EDC, so two angle we have, angle 1 we have plus angle 2 we don't know, plus angle ECD is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. This is 50 degree, we just calculated. Angle 2 we have to find out, and angle this as given 20 degree. So angle 2 will be equal to 180 minus 70 degree will be equal to 110 degree. Okay. So now angle 2 is equal to angle X. So let's see where angle 2 and where is angle 1. Angle 2 is this at point D and angle X is at point A. So this BC, a segment, same segment which is forming angle D and angle A. So by the property of same angle subtended by the same segment will be equal. So angle 2 will be equal to angle X. So angle 2 is equal to 110 degree. So angle X will be equal to 110 degree. So that is we have to find out angle BAC equal to 110 degree. So this is the solution of question number 5 from the exercise 10.5 9th class NCERT chapter 10 circle. Okay, now question number 6 from the exercise 10.5 circle chapter 10. So now in this question we have given angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Angle DBC is equal to 70 degree. Okay. So we have to calculate angle BCD. BCD. This complete angle we have to calculate. So I am breaking this angle as angle 1 and angle 2. So children, see carefully in the diagram. Angle BAC is equal to 30 degree and angle BDC again 30 degree. Why? Because BC is the same segment and this BC is forming angle 30 at this point and angle 30 again at this point. So these two angle will be equal. Angle BAC and BDC, angle formed by the same segment. Same property we will apply for the 70 degree angle also. DBC and angle CAD again 70 degree formed by the same segment, that is DC. ये DC ही B point पे भी एक एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है 70 डिग्री विच इज़ गिवन एंड A पॉइंट पे भी एंगल एक 70 डिग्री है जो कि प्रॉपर्टी से हमें मिल जाएगा. सो इफ इट इज 70 डिग्री, इट अगेन 70 डिग्री and the property is angle formed by the same segment. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because it's all 4 points lying on the circle and it is given to us. So angle A plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. This complete angle A, BAD plus DCB both will be is equal to 180 degree. Pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral will be equal to 180 degree. So angle C equal to 180 minus angle A, angle DCB. Now I am writing its complete name DCB, which we have to calculate 180 minus 70 plus 30. एंगल A पे हमारे पास दो एंगल है, एंगल 30 है प्लस एंगल 70 है, तो क्या हो जाएगा 70 प्लस 30 दैट इज इक्वल टू 100. सो एंगल BCD इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 100 दैट इज इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री. So now one more point is given that in question number 6, if AB equal to BC, if AB equal to BC, let's go AB equal to BC, AB is equal to BC. So these two side will be equal. So angle opposite to equal side will be equal. So if this is 30 degree, angle 1 will be equal to 30 degree. So angle 1 equal to 30 degree. Angles opposite to equal side are equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 as we have calculated, that is 100 degree. So angle 2 equal to 100 minus 1, that is equal to 70 degree. So this is the solution of question number 6th. Hope you have understood it.